take it from the NHT. If they're going to build a school, they take it from the NHT.
So you want to the
So we need to draw.
You need a
The workers need them.
Draw.
We want to partner.
Right.
We want
Justice. We want justice. We want justice.
My name is Shanna White, President of the National Housing Trust Staff Association. We're here due to a job evaluation that has not been effective in terms of the implementation. It started in 2016, having gotten an approval from the Ministry of Finance. In 2018, we actually started the process. In 2021, last year, November, the consultants finalized the report and it was issued to the leadership of the organization. The communication in regards to where and what is happening has been little to none, and we are saying that we have been waiting for far too long for the implementation, and we are here because of that. We are also coming out of a negotiation that has seen on board no fruit for us, and we are also expecting the company that feeds into the nation, of which we feed into, to actually
to honor
some of the demands that we are requesting. Well, yesterday we were in a meeting with the leaders, with the management of the National Housing Trust. Mr. Garfield Harvey, who represents us, the third vice president, he's the third vice president of the UAW. He spoke to them about it, and he communicated our restive and frustration, how restive we were and the frustration being faced. And he issued a 5-day notice to the organization to conduct a meeting with us in regards to the implementation, because we have been speaking too long on the matter. It is very frustrating. We have our families, we are affected by the growing prices, and as you said, we have never ever come to this, so this was a hard decision, but it was a necessary. And so we are here today out of frustration.